MAMPONGHEMAA of EJURAHENE, representing Anaberima of Serbia, the second EJURAHENE. Our keynote speaker, Dr. Ministerial, Dr. William MAMPONGHEMAA, ASANTE Regional Director of Education, Dr. ST.MONICAS, Headmistress, ST.MONICAS Senior High School, the clergy, members of the board, distinguished guests, parents, management and staff, fellow members of SMOSA, friends of the media, ladies and gentlemen. It is with a profound sense of honor and deep gratitude that I warmly welcome you all to this official launch of the 80th anniversary celebration of ST.MONICAS Senior High School. For 8 decades, this noble institution has been more than just a school. It has been a century for transformation. It has been the forge where young girls are molded into women of substance, women who are today making indelible mark in various fields across Ghana and the entire globe. Today, on behalf of the global SMOSA fraternity, I am privileged to stand before you to celebrate our cherished alma mater, an institution that remains a steadfast pillar of academic excellence, discipline, faith, and selfless service. Nana, we are deeply honored by your presence today. Your unwavering commitment to the education of the girl child and the preservation of our cultural heritage continues to inspire generations of young women across our nation. Our history is a beautiful tapestry of faith and vision. In 1926, the nuns of the Order of the Holy Paraclete, OHP, from Whitby, England, arrived on the shores of the then Gold Coast. This year marks exactly 100 years. Wow. 100 years. Wow. Since that historic landing. A centenary journey that began in Cape Coast and continues to be celebrated today. It was from the foundation of grace that ST.MONICAS was established in 1946. For 80 years, we have empowered young women to serve society with competence, character, conviction, faithfully guided by our timeless motto, each for all. This milestone anniversary is being celebrated under the theme 80 years of girls' empowerment, educating generations, transforming lives. Even as we honor our illustrious past, we look firmly towards the future. A key legacy project of this 80th anniversary is the construction of a modern ICT and e-library complex. Our goal is simple but urgent: to equip our students with a digital fluency, research capacity, and high-tech learning environment required to excel in a rapidly changing world. I respectfully invite all stakeholders here. today to support this worthy cause. Let us join hands to bring this vision to fruition for the benefit of the girls currently in our care. To my fellow SMOSA members, I offer my sincerest thanks for your unwavering support. I am particularly moved by our chapters across the continent who have championed diverse projects and the individuals who continue to mentor our students as they transition into tertiary education. Your dedication is truly transforming lives. As we move forward, I encourage more the association. Come and participate actively. Together, we can strengthen our association and sustain its legacy of impact. In the lead to our grand climax in November, we shall celebrate our own. 80 distinguished old students from various fields will be profiled across our social media and news platforms to showcase what we call MONICAS excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, today's lunch marks more than just the beginning of a celebration. It marks a renewed collective commitment to the future of girls' education. May God bless St. Monica's Senior High School. May God bless SMOSA. May God bless our homeland, Ghana. Thank you, and you are all most welcome. Each for all.
And all for all. Thank you, Mama. God bless you for being the mother of local global. Thank you so much. All for all.
I give you warm greetings from MAMPONGHEMAA II. EJURAHENE. He was greatly honored by the invitation to chair this important program and sincerely regret his inability to be present today due to an urgent national call and other personal responsibilities. He could not attend in person. He has therefore appointed me, Nana Ajiman Eni Pepe, Nkoswani of EJURAHENE, together with other respected chiefs, to represent him on this public occasion. I will now proceed to read the acceptance of chairmanship from MAMPONGHEMAA II. EJURAHENE. The special guest of honor, Honorable Frank MAMPONGHEMAA, the Regional Minister, Nanano, the clergy, distinguished invited guests, the Board of Governors and School Management, all students of St. Monica's, dignitaries, the media, ladies and gentlemen. I am honored to accept this great opportunity to be the chairperson for this mentioned 80th anniversary lunch under the theme 80 Years of Girls Empowerment, Educating Generations and Transforming Lives. Distinguished guests, as we launch 80 years of progress, let us acknowledge the trailblazers who paved the way for girls' empowerment through education. We salute and honor their courage, resilience, and vision. Distinguished dignitaries, as we launch the progress made for 8 decades, we should also recognize the journey ahead. Investing in girls' education transforms lives and nations. As we launch this milestone, I want to make a special appeal to all stakeholders, philanthropists. Your financial support today will contribute to empower more girls, educate generations, and transform lives. Together, let us use girls' education and empowerment to unlock potentials and build a brighter future. The lively complex. We need tools for the current and the next generations of girls, which are ICT and library resources, to equip the girl child for the legal age.
Representative of His Grace, Most Reverend Dr. Cyril Smith, Most Reverend Prof. Emeritus Daniel Yinka Sapo, the Rep of Honorable Regional Minister, Dr. Frank, our guest of honor, the Regional Director of Education, Municipal Director of Education, the Chairman and the Board of Governors, distinguished dignitaries from the academia, the clergy, esteemed invitees, ladies and gentlemen from the media. I stand on the justice protocol. your financial contribution to support the worthy dream of management and SMONICAS Yoruba of building an ultra-modern ICT and library complex for the school will help to empower the girl child and develop potential for the present and the future. Thank you for your presence and pray that we shall have a wonderful 80th anniversary lunch as the school celebrates 80 years of girl empowerment, educating generations and transforming lives. Long live Ghana, long live Anglican Church, long live ST.MONICAS, long live SMONICAS Global, each for all.
And that is our current headmistress.
I'm just wondering how you sparkling this well. I greet you, ladies of the rose, indeed your beauty glows. Muchacha, there's something they're not quite yet today. I'll tell you to me, someone, my main something to be chacha. So maybe chacha. On only a son. Yɛbɛdɛ apɛti asɛm no aka yɛn nsɛm ɛyɛ saa ne yɛyɛ ayɛ asɛm onyame yɛ baako so yɛfa na ne yɛafa apɛm ɔno ne yɛfa pɛm nti abrabɔ no yɛamfa ampɛm ɔno ne yɛsɛ yɛtwere na yɛmpa ɔno yɛ ahotɔsoɔ nti yɛda no so sɛ yɛmpa ne nsɛm no yɛ ampa abrabom trotro so tutu ya na mo aye ti ya mpa ago today can I be your teacher? I'm here to be your teacher. What I'm concerned about is your future, so you're my student and I know you are prudent. So this is my classroom. Good afternoon, class. In my classroom, I want to remind you of the days of doom, but for you to be doomed, I will give no room. Love my words, for they are not boom, but they rather doom. At the end, I'm going to give you a test. For me to attest that you are the best. This is not you call, pass, and forget, else you will lead to regret. The topic for discussion today, 80 years of girls' empowerment, educating generations. Hello. Education is the most powerful weapon that brings about change. Nelson Mandela. And I say that education is key, because education is the key that unlocks the door of change. When you educate a man, you educate an individual. But when you educate a woman, you educate a nation. Dr. James Eman Kwadri agreed. I quote, many agree. And so, by the vision of the Anglican Church, Bishop Anthony brought on board the order of the Holy Paraclete, and by the support of Otumfuo Nana Prempeh the First, and Okocha Hine Nana Oseibosu the First, who released 30 acres of land. In 1946 was established the first girls' secondary school in Ashanti region, named after the first African female saint, Saint Monica. It is a very man this year. I want to be kind. Mother me adisia ama fufuro ahwemuso asia. Se ewo to amnemu a I said, yes, you. And so, one child thing, see, I walk to a CSU. It's a one thing, now my thing. Because you were bred on Mount Mountain. So you already stand tall. In academics, you stand tall. In character, you stand tall. In fashion, you stand tall. So from the dormitories of Lever, Agliongi, Martinson, yes. Yinka Safo, Rosinga, Bishop, our ladies who are well-nurtured and cultured, beautifully in your blue and white uniform. Indeed, you are smart, intelligent. The world would have been doomed if the world hadn't had you. So I came to honor who deserves to be honored. Peace for all. And all. He says success is a process. And so success has one resemblance. And that is every achievement is not by chance. So today, we really want to say Ayubo to everyone who has participated in this. I'm Femuchi. What is the German who says here? Why is that a taste here? Wakata Mwesi? We are Mofemuki is here. Hope you. Not one of Tennessee. We are in Park Kensi. Might we are saying Lucy. And truly, on the shores of life, are your indelible footprints that leaves in our minds your incredible imprints. Women of substance, your aura is a delightful fragrance. We admire you for your intelligence, and we adore you for your confidence.
And so the unveiling was to be in the office.
You know what they did 12 years?
12 years.
Because
12 years for the men.
for your,
Oh,
your
yes,
husband,
okay, your family.
your daughter.
Your family and your friends is affordable. So the one willing to do the appeal to get
1986, I know you are all ready. You are all ready to give back to the school.
Say I'm ready.
Auntie Sarah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Auntie Sarah, for giving us 80 degrees water that you need.
Yes, I'm a good girl.
Any other ones? 10 million guns. I had an awkward situation last time. I had a platform that I purchased items. I sent my money, I did the payments, I went on to
slot in the username, the password. It was there with something called the captcha. No, my captcha is a 5+7. My keyboard nearby, plus sign or any so. Hey, so what do I do? If I had been through this ICT, this technology, it wouldn't have been hard for me. A whole day. Meanwhile, my thing, I couldn't do anything. I sent screenshots in Nagua online, in Touch, and I'm down. How am I doing this? 10 million Ghana cedis. What do you want? I see lab and 10 million Ghana cedis. What do you want? It's just say, you person pay your talk of law. Nanta, if you are not the issue, let them put the year. If you are not the issue, if you are 10 million Ghana cedis, I told you. Sorry, bye. ASANTE 5,000 Ghana cedis. Yura patrol. Me patrol a check of 10,000 Ghana cedis. ST.MONICAS, all student association, 81 years old. That's 10,000 Ghana cedis.
Great news coming in from the MAMPONGHEMAA Palace. Now, when the member Nankasa at the Lucio, now Obia at say, the another MAMPONGHEMAA neighbor or Yema say 1 year.
Said the MAMPONGHEMAA Ossie. Me and the Yassi. Nana, your program Yassi. Emma, would 2 years say, Yemra. Inti kura ye be yira kura eni se ye ka chiri hono mo fanche na ne yire ST.MONICAS ya ha ena obusuko inti wase ye mamonti se ne yire one ni mienu ono so na bo ade ewum 5,000 Ghana. Ya all cano, Mumran and whole fee, Amomegi, Sassicano. I buy a money in yes, let's say, come back my opinion.
I don't mind.
Said I should tell the SMOSA Global that he intends to meet you, at least the leadership in Nigeria. You see, ST.MONICAS has been a school that has really shaped girls from Nigeria. So he would want to meet you and then discuss further the projects. But in the interim, we should donate 20,000 Ghana cedis. Together with his mother, MAMPONGHEMAA, the two of them are donating this amount. So Nana will be waiting for the leadership of SMOSA Global to further discuss other plans to help finish the project. I learned that by November, we should be commissioning the project. So Nana will be waiting for you.
Thank you very much, Nana. some of our.
Phone number is 0246 992354. The name ST.MONICAS will come on it. 0246 992354. Thank you.
Thank you very
When you
much.
send it, you let us know and then we acknowledge you. We give you thanks here.
Okay, and we now have our first check coming in from Agri Development Bank, of course, represented duly by Auntie Rebecca Abenatu, and she is giving her alma mater 2,000 Ghana cedis. Rebecca Abenatu, 92 years old, so she's giving ST.MONICAS her alma mater 2,000 Ghana cedis, and so the check is here. Auntie Rebecca, you can have it. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We are waiting for you. What do you have for us? Now, my family, and then money. We are coming. We are hiring a whole bus with our culture. We are coming to your palace. Now, what we are going to in some of the
The school chaplain, in the person of Reverend Father Isaac Owusu, has given us 500 Ghana cedis. Father,